guys, today we are doing the open flash tablet version 2 on the FRS. I have unequal link headers, so I should be able to go straight to stage 2 plus. And I'm gonna kind of walk off through it. I'm learning as we go as well. The main reason I'm getting this is because I have unequal length headers and a muffler and resonator delete, and the cold starts are absolutely brutal. I mean, ear bleeding. So hopefully, I know this, I'm pretty sure disables cold starts. And also, we can add some backfires and all that good stuff. So, let's get to it. I mean, that bitch is hidden. It's like a 90-degree fucking turn. So, tuning. We are a Scion. First.
Yeah, look, it's grayed out.
Yeah, so we need to read the stock tune. Turn ignition power on.
So that just like the accessory mode?
There's the on. 1, 2. Press OK. Stop freaking beeping. When this is all going on, guys, you cannot
do
anything. It's about to freaking do Bluetooth. Saving, alright, that's pretty quick.
Pretty quick.
I did buy this used, and if you buy these things used, you have to make sure they're unmarried from the original person's car.
Yeah. And then disconnect top first. Please press OK first. Yeah.
Alright, so now
plug it back in.
Now we go to the computer, I think.
God. Guys, freaking keys. That's about as fast as he can go, too. Yep. I bet he's out of breath. Out of breath?
We're looking for some numbers. Okay, we need the calibration code. So we're gonna take a picture of that. Tuning. This part's where it's your first time tuning your car. This is going to take a little bit.
Right.
So we're going to write the new tune. Here's our new tunes. So we have that pop tune. So our original files is our original tune. Make sure this is on here before you even think about doing one of these tunes. So we're going to click on pop tune. We're going to hit this arrow. I don't know if is it loading something? There we go.
There. Hit finesse.
To end the recording and start back when it's done. So it might take a little bit. Off. So we're gonna turn the ignition off. And then hit OK. Turn ignition Okay. Running complete. Switch ignition power off for 10 seconds. Start engine and idle for 45 seconds before driving.
Okay.
That was definitely a nicer start though.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna take it for a spin. Yeah, the throttle is dead. That's weird. So yeah, so when you tune your car, you're gonna have, the throttle's gonna be like dead, like it's in limp mode. And from my understanding, the ECU has to learn the throttle again. So it could take, I heard it could take 10 miles, I heard it could take 30 miles. So kind of just play around with it. I wouldn't get on it at all until everything seems running. It's driving smooth.
Yeah. It's not blowing up.
Idling very well.
Have to do it, huh?
Now should sound nasty.
Yeah.
I'm not really hearing the backfires yet. Maybe the throttle has to learn itself first a little more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a little more throttle right here.
Ain't no pops at all. Nope.
No. Alright guys, this is the next day. After tuning the car, I finally figured out how to do the pops. I'm pretty sure you have to have the car in, my car's automatic. Alright, let me hear it. I'll wait. In the comments say something, I'll wait. Yeah, just enjoy the day a little bit. Okay. Got automatic, and when I have the car, in normal mode, just to drive it, the car doesn't make any popping noises, It's just normal. But as soon as I put the car in like manual mode where I have to use the paddle shifters, it starts popping like literally right away. So it's kind of cool, I guess. It's kind of like an on and off switch. I haven't put the car in just sport mode either. All Macs have sport mode, so I'm trying to put it in just sport mode and see what it sounds like. But I'm gonna for sure record the pop noise. It still sounds pretty nasty. I don't know how good the microphone picks it up on the iPhone, but it sounds very good. Before